This is unreal. You know what? I am not gonna mess with this mix. Just took my favorite plant corner to another level. Hey guys, it's Erin. Well, I did not realize that I had purchased so many online plant orders this month. I was trying to fill the void of the now defunct plantarena.com, who has tragically stopped selling plants. I've been pleasantly surprised with the options out there, but this is by far the largest, and I have a hard time believing that this is just one plant because he is a monster. And it's heavy too. First, some wine because I'm tired. Cheers. So inside this box is my favorite plant. I've made lots of mistakes along the way with them, so I am going to help you to learn from my mistake with this guy so that you are able to grow yours beautifully and avoid some of the plant parent errors I've made with this particular plant. Maybe if I dance with this guy a little bit, let's see. This really begs the question, is this just a really big cavernous box, or is this going to be a really big plant? Don't cut yourself on the bamboo. Stand by for 5 minutes holding pressure. And some Neosporin and a Band-Aid later, I am back in business after, looks like there's a rogue piece of bamboo here. Absolutely looks like it could just destroy your finger, and it did. So I'm done with wine now because, as you may or may not know, that will impair hemostasis or the stopping of the bleeding. Let's just stay away from that side. Okay, first glimpse, there's a big pot down here.
Can I see your cup?
No, I just have a Band-Aid on it.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, at first glance, this is huge, and I almost feel like this is the wrong plant. If it's really this big, then it's actually totally worth getting skewered by the bamboo. This was the offending piece. Oh my god! This is unreal. This is unbelievable. I've never seen an Esqueleto like this online in the mail to my house. Like, I'm shook. This is seriously the Esqueleto of my dreams. What did I pay for this? Look. The roots on here obviously going to be very established. Okay, let me just calm down for a second. Okay, I just needed to gather my thoughts about this plant because I was not expecting this at all. For under $100. It was on sale. It was under $50. But I had bought these plants for much more than I paid for this. The roots were not established. I lost half of the plant because the roots weren't established. And then here's where I made the mistake. This guy needs a lot of light. You'll know that he is not getting enough light because you're going to have some shrinkage in the leaves. So this is one of my original Esqueletos. I wasn't giving him enough light, and so he put out this very sad looking leaf that almost looks like Monstera Addisonii. So this is how you know you're doing it wrong. These love to climb, so a moss pole, great idea. You will only perpetuate the big leaf energy that this is already giving us. I'm being constantly shocked and amazed at what's available to us out there that is not Plantarena. Costa Farms has a refer a friend program, so you get 100 points if you refer a friend who makes a purchase, which I will be referring many friends. Couple of things: don't allow it to stay too wet because the leaves will turn yellow. It will not like it. When I put it in the periphery of my grow lights, I've noticed a decrease in the leaf size, and then it kind of has picked up again and rebounded with a moss pole and then with more light. Where am I going to put you? You are a monster. This is not for the faint of heart. It was 100% worth getting skewered by the bamboo to own this plant. I cannot wait to order more. This looks like the Sydney plant guy's been at it and like growing it with these big ass leaves. What does this nursery look like? Any of you ever been to the Costa Farms nursery? I'm sure it's insane. My head would literally pop by. Here she is in all her glory. And there is a lot of coconut or like some kind of a moss on top here. And then if you dig a little bit further, looks like there's like a soil underneath, or is it all moss? There's some lovely roots. Super airy mix. Airy, but could hold on to moisture, which is a good idea since, like I said, this is coming from Florida. You know what? I am not going to mess with this mix. at all. This clearly has grown like the most stunning plant. And I'm just gonna carry on. Okay, here's what. This Costa Farms Monstera Esqueleto just took my favorite plant corner and just took it to another level. It made all these girls bow down to the greatness here. That is this Esqueleto that just showed up like so cheap, feeling like I won some kind of crazy prize. I am truly coming to you and bringing you the biggest leaf energy ever. It is jumping out of the screen to you. If you like plant unboxing videos and plant care tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe so you don't have any plant FOMO. Give this video a thumbs up. See you next time, Planty friends. So here is a second one that I bought and put in my living room, and I actually put it on a moss pole this time. And this is the newest leaf that it just put out that's looking really beautiful. And we have another guy right here that's popping out. So it just keeps pushing out leaves, and I have it under this grow light here right by Jack Skellington. So I'm definitely making sure that it's getting enough light.